Great Scott! Welcome to Snake River Junction. My name is Gary. You probably think I have gone mad, and yes, I have, mad with excitement. So everybody's been wanting to know what the name of this layout is and shows some details. Sit back as I warm up this flux capacitor, because where we're going, we don't need no roads. Great Scott! What are you looking at? Come on, this way. Okay, that's much better. You're in the right direction. All right, that was real. Would have taken us back to 1987. But this layout you see here is my original layout. It is your typical Tyco layout. Yes, Tyco. I built it using their catalog. It is the step-by-step instructions and takes you to how to build it and wire it. I only did steps 1 and 2. And before I take you over there, I am going to show you a little bit of this layout. The layout has a simple outer loop track, which is used for freight trains. It goes underneath this hill, past a couple of industries, on its way to the train station. Past the train station, you can switch to an inner loop, which is mainly used for passenger trains. In this photo, you can see a mock-up of a water tower by the train station, a park for a famous ball player, and an engine house made out of Legos. The water tower has gone and been replaced with Ace Hardware Store, fully lit. Park has been replaced with a used car lot. The fence is made out of screen and 2 picks for the post. Engine house has been replaced with one from Pike Stuff Kit Bash Kit. As you can see, the layout has pretty much stayed the same as we take a nice flyover. The modern fire department was scratch built using cardstock. I based it off of one that was made by Volmar, which happened to always be on back order. I had expanded to the layout you see now. It is the Granite Gorge in Northern. It is an Atlas design. It's 6 HO railroads you can build. It's a step-by-step of plans, how to build them, track plans. You can even get an updated version. It's the 7 step-by-step HO railroads, and it has the Granite Gorge Northern in there. It's two modulars. You have the one with the station and the yard. The other one is the mountain. As you can see, the modulars are made out of pine with plywood cover. All the openings were covered in screen. The hills and mountain had cardboard support. Everything was covered in spackle and plaster of Paris. The layout consists of two main lines in a figure-8 design. You can use passenger cars and freight. There's a crossover that passes in front of the train station. The other crossover is located underneath the mountain. Happy Back to the Future Day. Happy Halloween. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.